Okay friends, we just watched a little video about the sun and what the sun does and how important it is for our earth and for life here on earth. I know you guys are going to be learning a lot more about the sun and about photosynthesis and how the sun helps plants grow in science this year. Did you know that we can combine science and art? That's what we're going to do today. So we've learned a little bit about the sun, which you'll be learning about in science this year, and now we're going to do a project using warm and cool colors, because the sun makes me think of warm colors for sure. And we're going to use that. So we're going to combine art, color wheel, the warm and cool colors, with science, the sun, and the moon. So let's get right to it, friends. Okay, friends, now that we've divided our warm colors on one side and our cool colors on the other side, we're ready to start our art project. We can use markers and colored pencils so that we have a really great variety of warm colors and cool colors to use. So for this project, you're going to need colored pencils and markers if you'd like to use those. And you're going to need a lid, a little tub lid, and a black Sharpie, and a pencil, and I think that's about it. So first thing you're going to do is, and white drawing paper. Fold, you're going to need a couple extra pieces of paper to protect your desk from the Sharpies in case it goes through. So make sure you have another piece of paper down. Fold this in half. And then open it back up. Put your lid right as close to the center as you can do it, the best that you can center it. And I think it's easiest to draw this circle around with a Sharpie, but if you want to do the pencil first, you can. I think it's better to do this part with just Sharpie. So hold down your lid, put your hand on it so it's tight down onto your paper, push down, start at the top, just go around, touching the marker onto the side of the lid as you're going. And then you should come out with a perfect circle. Then where this little fold line is, I want you just to draw a straight line up there and down here. All right, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a picture. This side is gonna be the sun and this side's gonna be the moon. So which of those two sides do you think you're going to use the warm colors on? The sun or the moon? All right, if you said the sun, that definitely is gonna use warm colors because the sun is a flaming ball of gas and it's burning and hot. So let's use the warm colors on that side. And at night, things always cool down. Even though the moon does not produce its own light, it only reflects the light of the sun. So it is more of a cool thing. So we're gonna think of the dark night as the cool colors and the hot sunny day as the warm colors. Okay. So you take your pencil and we're gonna make a little curve, then come back to the middle, and then make a little bump, and then make another curve. This is like a profile of the moon. That's the moon's nose. And we're gonna come over here, make an arch, then make like a smiley face shape. So that's the sun's eye that is wide awake. And the moon is gonna be asleep. So we're just gonna make a smiley shape. And we'll do the inside of the eye. And if you want to, you can put eyelashes on there. That's up to you. It's your own preference. So I have my moon sleeping over here and my sun wide awake. Let's make him a little mouth. So what you're gonna do, make a bump up, down and out. Up, down and over. Then you're just going to make a curvy shape at the bottom and a little line across. And if you want to make a different mouth than that, just a smiley face, you're welcome to do that. You can take a ruler to this, or if you want to just do it freehand and have a little bit more of an abstract look, that's fine. So I'm going to go to my sun side. I'm just going to find about the center of this circle and draw a line. I'll do it with a Sharpie. And then I'm going to go halfway between these two lines and make a line out to the corner. And then do that up here. All right, and then on the moon side, we're just gonna kind of follow around the shape of the moon and make rings. All right, and after that, you get to decorate these. Remember, warm colors over here, cool colors over here. You can put any kind of designs in here, maybe some cool line designs. the warmth of the sun, the warm colors during the day, and the cool colors of night, the sun and the moon. Hope you guys had fun. We'll see you again next time.